Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will make a fresh cream. So many of my subscriber asking, can you show me how to make a fresh cream? So this is a cream. I'm using it. It's a ready-made cream. It's a Macphie Traditional Cream. So normally we don't do anything much. We are just put it in the mixie and then mix it well, and then that's it. So let me show you how we gonna do it, because we use every day is like hundreds of liters this cream, and it's nice, fluffy and quick, easy to make. Yeah, so we are just using like this. So make sure you know that in the mixie you have to fill it half of the balls, because after mix it well it's gonna come full balls. So half a ball like that you have to put it, and then you have to just mix it well. So one more thing you have to do it. So when you make this cream, you have to mix first very medium one, not too fast, because if you do in the too fast, the cream will be made it nicely, but after some time it coming a bubble. So my suggestion is just do it slow, and then its cream is coming very nice, shine, and texture also is good. So yeah, so after putting this one, you have to mix it in like if you slow mixing, you have to do it like 10-15 minutes. After 10-15 minutes it's gonna be coming nicely. So can you see now it's changing the texture, is coming fluffy now, slowly. After 10 minutes it's come like this. It's very nice, fluffy. Can you see? Very nice one. So just mix it like that. And one more thing, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my all videos and putting a nice comment. After 10 minutes you have to just take it out, and look how beautiful and fluffy cream is ready now. Looks so simple and easy. So this cream you can order online. It's called Macphie Mactop Traditional. If you search it online, you can get it. It's like we using a 10 liters one, because we use a lot of cream, and typically we gonna using is like a 500 liter. So we order it by our supplier, but you can get it online as well. So after making the cream, look how nicely you can just piping whatever you like. Yeah, so you can order it online and you can get it anywhere, and then 1 liter pack also is coming, so you can get it